ఇద్దరు ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ అన్నారు సార్. ఒక అతనేమో ఇప్పుడు కుదరట్లేదన్నారు. ఈ రోజు డెమో తీసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి, నేను ప్రమోట్ చేస్తాను సార్. ఒక 2 రోజులకి స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. విజయ్ గారు.
Yeah, Vijay, good morning, Vijay. How are you? Hello?
విజయ్ గారు. ఓకే, మరి మైక్ ఆన్ చేయండి సార్.
Vijay, good morning, Vijay. Am I audible to you?
Hello, sir. Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi, Vijay. Yeah, good morning. How are you?
I'm good, sir. How about you, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thanks for asking. Yeah. Shall we start, Vijay?
Yes.
Yeah. Vijay, before starting the demo, so may I know what about you and what is your graduation and which year? What is your experience in the past? May I know that? Just
Yeah,
like 1 minute of yours.
Yeah, sure. I'm Vijay. I just finished my MBA in the year 2023, and after that, I'm working in call center. So thought of shifting my career to US staffing, sir.
Okay, sure. Do you have any experience in the past? Like not only in BPO, right? How many years of?
So still working in BPO, sir. So from 2023 onwards, I had been working in BPO itself.
Oh, okay, great. Understand. On which stream you finished your bachelor's? Bachelor's or any degree?
I did it in MBA, sir. But
Oh no, bachelor's. I'm asking
my
about,
graduation.
not master's. Yeah, graduation.
In graduation, I took in computers. I did my graduation in computers in electronics, and after that, I thought of moving to HR, where I pursued my MBA.
Okay, Vijay, if possible, you can switch on your video if it works for you.
One minute, sir. I'm just having. I'm just trying to correct our Bluetooth. It's not connecting, sir. So that's the reason I had to.
No, yeah, no problem. Just take on your own time. Then we can start. There is no any hurry on this. Yes.
సార్ హలో రాకపోతే తీసేసుకోండి సార్.
యా సార్, తను యాడ్ అవుతున్నా అని చెప్పారు. అదే అతను బ్లూటూత్ కి కనెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నా అని చెప్పారు సార్. ఎస్
సార్, మీరు రికార్డింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేశారా? ఆటోమేటిక్ అదైందా?
నేనేం చేయలేదు సార్.
ఓకే సార్.
కొన్ని ఆఫ్ చేసి మళ్ళీ ఆన్ చేయమంటారా కట్ స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు?
వద్దండి, అలాగే ఉంచేసాను.
షూర్ సార్. మళ్ళీ మీరు కట్ చేస్తారా దాన్ని?
చూసుకుంటాలే సార్.
యా ఓకే సార్. యా విజయ్, ఐ రెడీ? Vijay, I'm unable to hear your voice. Yeah, Vijay.
Yes, sir. No, I think it's fine. Yeah.
Shall we start now?
Yes.
Yeah. Hey, Vijay. Actually, here, what is US staffing? I want to let you know here. Okay. US staffing. I think. Do you have any knowledge on this? No. So, do you have any knowledge on US staffing? Okay. What you know about US staffing?
Not much in detail, sir. So I heard something where I just wanted to shift my career into US staffing, like sourcing, like getting the requirements from the client, then sourcing based on requirement, be like sourcing profiles. That's it.
Absolutely, what you said is right, Vijay. What you said is right, but the thing is here, we are not the persons to get the requirement from the clients. Here in USA, I'll let you know, I'll explain you exactly what's the difference between US staffing and domestic staffing. Staffing means it's a recruitment. Okay, so for an example, in India, all the jobs will be a full-time jobs, right? Not a contract jobs here in India.
Oh, in India, yeah.
Yes, but in if you compare with this USA, all the jobs are the contractual jobs. So in US, all the people will be on the market in all times.
Okay.
So if a client want to hire any people, they want to talk with this vendor people or the prime vendors. They have to share the requirement to us. Then we only need to share our resumes to them. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the US staffing. 1 second. Let me share my screen to you. Um, it's visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Is visible?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sure. If you can see this, see here. It's simple. Once we got a job description from the client, and we need to
Mhm.
just search the resumes, screen the candidates, and we need to submit the resume. If all goes well, it's a placement. Simple. What is the
Okay.
MBA person? If the person is working as a HR, the same thing we are also doing here on the name of a recruiter, because a HR manager cannot become directly to a HR. They need to start their career as a recruiter only. Recruiter.
Mhm.
I think if you have an idea, like in HR also there are so many domains, recruiting, payroll, or accounts, right? Different domains. This will
Yeah.
become under like recruiting department, hiring department.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so
Okay.
yeah, in this training, what I'm going to teach you is, okay, in this training, total of my training will be around like 30 to 40 days, 45 classes nearly. So what I'm going to teach you is that in half an hour I'll be teaching you in so step by step what is the USA, so how many states are there, what is tax terms, visas, which visa we can work, what is vendors, what is clients, what are their domains, all the things, okay, all the things end to end,
Okay.
from when you are
Mhm.
going to enter into the office, you are starting of the work, and while you are leaving. So all the work I'm going to teach you in this training, which includes the practicals as well. So if you want, you can see my content here. Okay, see life cycle, time zones, including states as well. How many states? What is the pronunciation of it? Okay, clients, vendors, and this. In what way we need to search the resumes with the boolean strings, how do we need
Okay.
to talk with the vendors, how to talk with the candidate, how to talk with GC candidate or USC candidate, all are different actually. Sorry, excuse me. Yeah. So more than this, if the person is not able to understand in exact English, for example, if I'm talking in high level English, you can just ask me. I'm unable to understand the accent or anything. So if your people are okay, I'll be explaining in Telugu fast, and then I'll the same thing I'll explain in English as well. Both will
Okay.
happen here, because some people may good English, not some people are an average. That's the reason I need to cover all the people there. Okay. And the next thing is that, so 30 minutes will be the class, and next 30 minutes will be concentrating on your resume and on your profile and your com skills.
Okay.
So in com skills, if you observe, so three things will be a problems. So while you're talking, the vocal will shake. Vocal. If they have some
Okay.
fear, it will local shake. Some people are very good in English, but they are unable to talk. It's a stage fear. Some people all with they are all good, but they are unable to pronounce it. So these problems will
Mhm.
be rectifying. If they are okay in averagely, then I can communicate over this meeting, and we can finish it actually in this classes. But they are unable to talk. At least they are in a low level. Then you need to talk, you can contact with Venkat Garu, and he can explain you on other class on com skills. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. Next thing. So in this, I'm going to share you my screen all this in all meetings. Okay, which include the practicals as well. Practicals. So first 10 classes will be the basics. Next 10 class will be technical. What technical it means, like you are not going to do any coding here. To be honest, not any coding here. Just which technology is having which skills. For example,
Okay.
Java, in Java Spring Boot will be there. So we need to at least grasp some knowledge. What are the skills is there? At least skills in which technology skills is there. So based upon
Yes.
that only, it's very easy to uh, write on the skills, and we can source the resume very easily. And
Sure.
more on this, Vijay. So once I teach you the class, so there is no any uh, tough thing to learn or buy out anything after my classes. You can just listen and you can spend some time like 20 to 30 minutes after my class. Then it will be very easy for you. Coming to this future on this staffing, US staffing. Okay, so you can compare the salaries of US staffing people and software people as well. Both are absolutely same. Absolutely same. Maximum maybe 10,000 will be difference. But here we'll be having a good lifestyle. Okay, good lifestyle, and then good incentives here, and there is no
Mhm.
work pressure. There is no work pressure here. No work pressure. Simple. We are getting the requirement.
In software,
So
no pressure, sir.
in software, pressure is very high. The
Yeah, in
exam.
recruitment also, I heard a lot of pressure, but
No. In recruitment, pressure is not there because, for example, today they share your requirement, Vijay. Okay,
mm,
they share your requirement. So as your prime vendor, they'll be sharing your requirement. They are not going to ask, give me the resume within a one hour, 2 hours. They'll be
yeah,
giving at least like 1 week to you. So finding a resume in a 1 week is a big matter. If I'm not, no, it's very easy because as like as in India, we are not going to call to all the people. Are you in the market? Are you searching for a job? Or no, not likewise actually in US. As I said before, in America, as America is a very vast country, 90% of the population is from out of the countries, right? From out of the countries, the people who are going from out of the country to USA, they will go by a staffing company or recruitment company, right? They are unable to go directly because they need a visa sponsorship. What those work is to do, those worker they need to search a job for those candidates. So those people will be sending a resumes to us. Just we are screening the resume. Just we are going to call return as a 4 to 5 calls. We can close the deal. That's it. But coming to this software
okay.
thing, I think in 2019 it's Java 6. You know what is the version of Java now?
No, sir.
Java 20. Java
Version
20 is now.
20. Okay.
Yes, of course. The thing what I'm explaining is that on comparing with software and recruitment, so in this recruitment, if you're working, you can just level up of your skills. Okay. But in the software, daily we need to read. Daily. Daily we need to upgrade the
Okay.
skills. Some people will like the learning here. So they can go for software. But comparing with this, I'm just comparing. I'm not just degrading this software thing and all. Software is pretty good. But compare the for example, MBA person is not able to go for software. It's not good because but then what's the reason he just finished his MBA, right?
Mm.
A CSC person can go and do this any other small jobs? No, because the person who done the CSC department in bachelor's because he have a passion of this coding, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So that's the reason I'm saying. So in this staffing, it's pretty good to be honest. So you can learn very easily, and the opportunities are pretty high. May I know you which state you are from?
Um, from Hyderabad, sir.
Oh, you are from Hyderabad. Okay, sure. Um, okay, so in Hyderabad, there's much opportunities. I'm also from Hyderabad, to be honest. There, totally India, top will be at Noida, second will be Hyderabad only in this US staffing.
Mhm.
In some cases, they can go for this remote opportunities as well. If we can search, we can just find it. That's it. There are plenty of
So
opportunities in the market.
can we also work remote, sir? Can we get any jobs in remotely?
Absolutely, we can trust that. Absolutely. Because some people will like remote opportunities, some people like hybrid, some people like only on-site. I like only hybrid, not only fully remote. Full remote is not possible for me because I need to be with the
So you're also
team.
working, sir?
Yeah, still. Oh, sorry, I just
You're working.
yeah, I'm sorry. I forgot to no introduce myself actually. I have over than 6 years of experience in this recruitment. I am working as an account manager. Account manager means not accounts means not it's not money matter, not money. Account means a client
Yeah,
manager.
account manager. Yeah.
Client
Okay.
manager. Okay. So from past 4 years, I'm training the people.
Oh,
This is the material which you are seeing. It's written by me on simple English, not any copy and
okay.
paste. What I'm going to just in what how can I say, in what way I'm teaching, the same thing will be there.
Okay.
This written by me, not any Google copy paste.
Which company, sir? Which company are you working?
Now I'm working in Saras America.
SRS. SRS, sir?
Yes,
SRS.
SARAS.
Yeah. Oh, SRS. I heard, but
Yeah.
not exactly.
Okay. I am working from past 4 years as a trainer.
Oh,
In night I'll be working. In the morning I'll be in this teaching. Not full time in teaching, just 2 to 3 hours of time. That's it.
mhm.
After my office hours, so just I'm just teaching to some people. And after
Okay.
my teaching, so I'll be referring to some companies. So there you can try for the job. It's not a big deal.
Like, can we get in? Like, can we get any remote roles or, instead of going on site like that?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Remote also fine.
Yeah, of course. Because in every job there will be remote opportunities. But if they want to give you remote, you need to prepare well in the training and you need to perform
Yeah,
very well in the interview.
actually,
Simple.
yes, sir.
If they know that, yeah, Vijay is a person, he can work even I'm not seeing or seeing. So he can give you remote, right?
Minimal supervision, yeah,
Sorry?
sir. Minimal supervision.
Absolutely. No, there will be no studying here. There will be no micromanagement in staffing. There will be no
Okay.
micromanagement. So it will be smooth. Because the reason what I'm saying here,
Few
Vijay.
companies, right?
Sorry?
Few companies I heard there is a lot of micromanagement in recruitment. Few
Few
companies.
come. Listen.
I don't know how
Yeah.
companies will work, but
Yeah. Let you know actually. Um, even 100% of anything, at least 5% will be wasted. Right? Do you understand? Some companies,
yes, sir.
few companies are there, very, very few companies.
Okay.
For example, if we go and work in dirt companies, automatically we can resign in just 2 to 3 months. That's it. Even if you go to this big company, Shub Insurance, Shub,
Chef, no, sir.
okay, LTE Mindtree, HCL,
Oh, this
HCL,
HCL,
Infosys.
okay, sir.
Listen,
Yes, yes.
all the companies not a micromanagement here, Vijay. Some teams
Okay.
are there. It's based upon their manager, right?
Okay.
If your manager, for example, you're studying this MBA, finance ma'am is good, HR manager, HR department ma'am is good, but HOD is not good. Do you think
Mhm.
then the whole college is not good?
We can't say, sir.
Absolutely. So in every place, some people are there. Either we need to mold or they need to mold. That's it.
Mhm.
Every place there'll be some consequences, Vijay. But
Okay.
micromanagement is less in this field, and more. For example, you said it's very strict or micromanagement. If you done like 2 to 3 placements in a quarter, then they won't touch you at least 1 year.
Mhm.
They won't touch you at least 1 year because if a person doing a placement from his side, at least the company is getting a good margin there. They won't touch you actually. The main thing here is Vijay in this US staffing, they are getting in dollars.
Mhm.
Okay, the margin is that, sorry,
Okay.
the margin or the profit is a dollars, but they are paying in Indian rupees. So it's
Mhm.
just tips for them. For that's the reason, for that's
Okay.
the reason they are providing the good lifestyle for the people who are working in US staffing, like team outings or
Okay.
anything. Team
Mhm.
outings, lunch meetings, or out of state of resort or some purely all the things. It's just tips for them. They won't care. And about salary, they are giving a good salary because if you do a one placement, it's plenty for them, right?
Okay.
Absolutely. Yeah. And coming to this training part, as I said you before, hope you heard about this ATS applicant tracking system.
Applicant.
Yes, let me explain you. You worked in this one BPO company, right? Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Maybe the company name if you don't mind.
TBSS, sir.
Okay. When you
Tata
join in
Business
the
Support
yeah.
Services.
Okay. So 1 second. When you join in the company, they took all of your details, right?
Yes, sir.
All of your details, because your name, your mother name, your father name, insurance, all these things, right? They'll be storing all your data in one portal.
Yeah.
Uh, you'll be entering all the details, right, in one site. That is tracking system, applicant tracking system. Vijay, 25 years of age, MBA or master's or degree, mother name, father name, age, insurance, salary, right? All details. So a system which is storing all of your data, it will be, we can call as applicant tracking system. Okay. And one more thing, Vijay, here. So the people who are working as a recruiters, the main thing is LinkedIn. LinkedIn. Okay, LinkedIn. So that LinkedIn I can be helping you to prepare that in very good manner. Okay, we can do one
Okay.
thing. We can do one thing, Vijay, here. Uh, if possible, sure, okay. Then I can explain you about time zones here. Yeah, as a demo, I can explain you time zones. Okay, time zones. Listen, as I said before, as states of America is a very big country, right? Very big country. So that's the reason, as in India, it won't be there. For example, now what time for is 9:30, right? So same in Delhi, same in Mumbai, right?
Yeah.
But in US, it's not like that. There are four time zones. Are you able to see my screen, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, it's four time zones. Four. As we have only IST. IST means Indian Standard
Standard time.
Time, right? The same thing here. EST, CST, MST, and PST. Eastern Standard Time, Central Standard Time, Mountain Standard Time, and then Pacific Standard Time. Got it? So simple, you need to analyze this map as this descending order. Descending order. Okay. I'll let you. I'll explain you for what's the reason I'm just uh, think this as a descending. Okay. EST, Central, Mountain, and Pacific. Okay. Now listen. Here, if you see a time here, okay, time. The sun will be rising on the east in America first. Okay. That's the reason we can call this time zone as a Eastern time zone. Okay. Okay, Vijay.
Sure, sir.
Yeah. Next, after an hour, the sun will be rising on the central. Then after an hour, sun will be rising on mountain, then in the Pacific. That's the reason if time is here 5 o'clock, then it's a 4, it's a 3, and it's 2. 1 hour will be down,
Delayed.
not delayed. Delay is different. Late. Delay,
Late.
the
Okay.
word is, yeah, delay is a word as a vocabulary word we can use, we cannot use that in all times. Okay, yeah. So next, yeah, nextly here. Let me explain you about times. Okay, here there are two types of times again in USA. Daylight saving on, daylight saving off. You're working for US people.
Pardon, sir?
You're working for US people, BPO.
No, sir. Domestic process.
Oh, domestic. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Okay. Any of your friends is working in US shifts?
Yeah, a few of them are working, sir.
Okay. If you observe them, sometimes they'll go to office by 6:30 and sometimes they'll go office by 7:30 in the evening. Let me
Yes, sir.
explain you actually, because
Yes, sir.
they we can call that as a daylight saving. Daylight saving. It will starts on the month of, sorry, please go ahead, Vijay.
Nothing, sir. Nothing.
Okay. Vijay, if you are not able to understand or my accent is different for you, you can just raise your hand. I can explain you in Telugu or English again in other way actually. No worries in that. Okay, you can raise your hand or you
Sure.
can just because as you weren't the student as of now here, so you can just ask me. I'm able to understand. Okay. And one more thing,
Sure.
Vijay here,
Sure.
there is no any necessary to talk like a sir. You can call me with my name. It's money. Okay. Because in US staffing
Sure.
industry, there is no necessary to call sir, even the CEO of the company. Even the CEO of the company, we cannot call them as sir. Because as for US, if we call them as a sir, they'll be just feel like, oh, my age is very high. So that is the reason US people won't tell their age. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Um, from March second week to November second week, daylight saving will be on. Then November second week to March second week, daylight saving will be off. For if now we are in which era? November to March, right?
So, no.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. November to March. Here an example. This is the month of February, right? Sorry,
Sure, sir.
February. For an example, time here is 5 o'clock. How much? 5 p.m. in India.
I have got
5 p.m. in India. So simple. Just be conscious here. Only one thing you need to be by heart here. Okay. As it is 5 p.m. in India. hmm, Just add 1.5 hour for this Indian time. How much time? How
one and
much?
a half hour. Yeah.
One and a
So
half
it's
hour.
going to be 1.5 hour.
6:30
In EST or
EST. If
no?
I am telling you the time to add from Indian to US, it will be only to US or Eastern only.
East. Okay.
That's the reason I explain you here. Take the map.
Yeah.
Think this as a Eastern, Central, Mountain, Pacific. The sun will be rising on the east first in US, right? So
Okay.
if you know this time, this is very easy or not?
Yeah.
Simple. For the time, if here time is 9 o'clock, 876. Simple. 10 means
Mm.
987, right? So what is the thing here we need to get?
Okay.
This time we need to be calculated exactly now,
Sure, sir.
right? So time is 5 o'clock in India. 1.5 hour place will be in
6.5.
Eastern.
In
Eastern.
Eastern.
6:30. And one more thing, you need to
6.
test,
Yeah,
yeah,
6:30.
at 6:30. Two things you need to be very reminded here, okay? Two things, because one is just how much hours we are going to add. Next thing,
Right.
if AM is for us, PM is for them. If PM is for us, 8 AM, 8 sorry, AM for them. Got it? Simple. The meridian will be vice versa, opposite. That's the reason if we are in evening, they are in the morning. Got it?
Sure.
Okay. So if the time is 5 o'clock here, in Eastern it's 6:30, then Central 5:30,
Central 5:30.
then Mountain
4:30.
3:30.
3:30.
Simple. But some of the videos I see in YouTube or some of the people with it, I just listen from out of people, they are like telling like 1 hour in Pacific, 1 hour down in Central, 1 hour and down in Mountain. So in that manner, you need to you need to remind this at least 16 permutations and combinations in that
Okay.
manner. But in this, only one thing, just 1.5 hour plus, 1 hour down. And right, it's very easy or not for you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in Indian time to US time, it's plus. It's plus. Then in US time, it will be minus,
Minus.
minus, minus 1 hour. Got it? Okay. Then coming to this second era, which will come under like March to November. March to November. There, we need to add how much time? 2.5 hours. How much?
Okay.
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours.
Then the 5 will become as 7:30. Here, 7:30. Then here,
6:30.
absolutely
6:30,
5:30,
5:30,
4:30.
4:30.
Simple. In US, the times will won't change. It won't change. It will down like only 1 hour, and it's descending order only. But from India to US, 1.5 hour plus or 2.5 hour plus. It's purely depends upon the which month we are staying there. Okay. Can I ask you one question if you don't mind?
Yes,
Time
sir.
is
Yes, sir.
4:30 now. Date of today. Can you please let me your time on Eastern? Time is 4:30 p.m. now.
It's 4:30 p.m. Then 4:30, 1 hour. So then it's going to 5:30 a.m.
1.5 hour.
4:30, right? So
Yes.
4:30, 5:30. Then it's going to be 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. 6 a.m.
Absolute. Right. Simple. Time zones is just that simple. So anything is need to by heart from your end? No. And one more
No,
thing.
nothing.
In my classes, what I'm explaining you in this class and tomorrow's class, it will be interlinked. So these things as a basics you will be hearing on daily. And one more thing. So once my class is done, tomorrow I'm going to ask some of questions. Ask some of the questions. So if you're able to explain, if you're able to answer, it's pretty good. Then it's not able to explain, then I'm going to explain you just 10 minutes again. Got it? I'm not only teaching you. I am trying to get you learn this. You learn this. Just simply, yeah, my class is over. Fine. You wrote no. I'm making you people to learn. There is no rocket science here. It's very easy. It's very easy, Vijay. Okay. And we'll be teaching from the down, from the scrap. Okay. Do you have any idea about this US map? How many states are there?
No, sir.
I think at least you hear some of states names: Texas, California, New York.
Yeah, Texas, California. Yeah,
Yes.
New Jersey.
You will be hearing those states names because that those states can call as a IT hubs. IT
Okay.
hubs. Yes. Um, which year you finished your this degree? 20?
2020 MBA, sir. MBA I just finished 2023.
Okay, last 2 years back. Yearly. 1 year back.
2 years back.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
In which department? Finance and HR or finance and marketing?
Finance and HR, sir.
Finance and HR. Okay, fine. And one more thing, Vijay. In this field, you will be on night shift. It is fine for you.
Yeah, sure, sir. No worries.
Only that is the only thing a drawback here. That's it. It's not a drawback to be honest because there in the morning we are net. That's it. We cannot do anything there.
Yeah.
Okay. So after completing of like 3 to 4 years or 4 years experience in this field, then you can go for domestic. But comparing with domestic and US staffing, salary is pretty different. In US staffing, salary is high, but in domestic, it's low only, not that much higher. May I know your office timings daily?
So presently I'm working day shift, sir.
Okay. So at which time you'll be leaving the home or
Uh, Actually, by I'll start my office timings will be from 12 to till 9 o'clock. Some extended
uh-huh.
time.
Okay. Where is the office?
Begumpet.
You are staying at?
I'm staying at Elbiner.
Oh, daily you'll be doing like up and down.
Yes, sir.
You'll commute?
Yes, I commute.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Um,
That's the reason I was checking whether I could find anything remote. So daily commuting is something.
Listen. Actually, US staffing companies is all the place in Hyderabad. Even this Ramantapur also they are having the companies. Even Ramantapur also they have companies. So you can find nearby
Okay.
of your place. No worries. I can help you in that. It's
Oh, that works out.
yeah, I'll help you in this because coming from LB Nagar to KBHP or Kondapur, like
No,
half day will be going traveling
you
for you.
can't imagine.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Or otherwise, we can try. I can help you. I can assist you where the positions are open. So there you can apply of your job, or I can
Sure.
refer you there. Then you can go there and you can give an interview. No problem in that. Okay.
Definitely, sir. I can do that.
No problem. No problem. I'll refer you because commuting is very different. Because I'm not. I think you are a bachelor, if I'm not wrong, right?
Yes, sir. Right.
You are a bachelor.
Yeah.
So it's maybe tough for you now and or easy for you now after the completion of your marriage. It's not that much easier what you're thinking about. It's pretty difficult.
Absolutely.
Commute is pretty difficult. So at the time, so you can find. I can help you to find a job over there in which your area. No worries. Okay. Yes.
Sir, I heard a few terms, sir. I was checking a few things before joining the demo
Yes.
class. Uh, so I heard few terms like IT recruitment and technical recruitment and something like pharma recruitment,
Listen.
clinical
Yeah, I understand. I understand. I got
and
your point.
so
No,
these are the
no.
terms which I came to.
That is not terms. Actually, it's domains.
Oh,
It's domains. Let me tell you example exactly. Okay. Mm,
uh,
business is a word. Is a business is a
okay.
thing. What they are doing. Okay. Differentiations. School business, hotel business, cleaning business. Understand? Same thing here. IT recruiter means IT side. Java, DevOps, .NET. Next. What you said, pharma recruiter, pharma. They'll be hiring this nurses, doctors, or something. Example, I'm saying. Next, engineering requirements, engineering. They'll be hiring mechanics or
Engineering recruiter. Yeah. Yes, sir.
yes, engineering is this only mechanics or tire replacers or punchers, painters. All is there. These things and all this there. So all will be the same, come in same category, but different domains. I'm an IT. I worked in this engineering around like 1.5 year in engineering in my starting of career, not now, not now actually, but I have some idea on that.
Okay.
Got it now. It's just domain. Simple. Requirement is same. Requirement is same. Even for example, simple
Mhm.
Vijay. For example, car driving. Car
Okay.
driving.
Yeah.
If I tell you to go from Hyderabad to Vijayawada, you can go. If you know the if you know the route in 2 to 3 hours. Example. If I tell you to go from Hyderabad to Guntur, no, not Guntur, to Bedak, without knowing this route, you can go or not? You
No,
can,
sir.
but time may differ. Simple thing. The JD is same, the Boolean string is same because I'm not teaching you this coding in this IT. I'm teaching you how to write the Boolean string by seeing the job description. See, see here. Boolean strings. Explanation about requirement, not only ID requirement. Explanation about the requirement. Okay. Then Boolean strings. How to check off a resume. I'm going to teach you by seeing the resume of which format. Based upon the format, it's genuine or fake. I'll let you know.
And I heard few terms, sir, like W2, cop to cop, few terms. I don't know
It's
what,
not terms. It's
how are
tax
the
terms. It's tax terms.
uh,
It's also there here.
text. And
It's tax
H1, okay.
visa.
So H1, and one thing is like
Mm,
the H1 visa. how do you? So most of the Indian candidates go to US, right, sir, for employment. And
Absolutely.
so how do we? So how do we
Okay, you
find
want
whether
to
the
know,
resume is
you want to know about H1B, right? You want to know about
H1B
H1B?
visa? Actually,
Yes, yes,
actually, when we
yes. No,
sourcing the profiles,
no problem, no problem. I'll explain
whether
just.
it is fake or
Yes, yes, no problem. Let me explain here, Vijay. Hello, Vijay. Vijay. Hello, Venkat garu. Yeah, Vijay.
oh, sorry, sir, I had a power cut.
Yeah, no problem, Vijay. It's just a visa. We can work on a work authorization visa. That's it. The people who are going from India to America, they need to go on this H1 visa by going on lottery system. That's it. Hey, actually,
Okay.
H1B visa is a very vast topic. Vast is a very big topic. It will take around 2 days to explain you in depth which visa is fake or which visa is genuine here. See,
Even the resume,
document. Yes,
mainly.
document. Yeah, please go ahead. Sorry.
So I'm confused. Like when, so I was checking few videos, like checking about the resume, whether it's fake or real one, and the experience that they have.
Yeah,
So
you can see here like how to check the resume, explanation of resume and clients. I'm going to explain you that as well in this training. Then here
cop to
document
cop
cop. Yeah, it's cop to cop. W2 and
and
1099
W2.
is a tax term. It's a payment terms.
Okay.
That is my fourth topic.
So mainly you'll be also discussing about H1B, right? H1B visa.
It's like one full topic here, Vijay. H1 visa
Okay,
with
okay,
all
fine.
approval copies. A full topic.
Okay,
It's
got
one
it, sir.
topic.
Yeah.
It will take 1 day to 2 days to explain you. And I'm going to take a one more day here. Document collecting on document checking. Which visa is a genuine or which visa is a fake? In what terms? By using that, we can come for conclusion with it's genuine or fake. Got it?
And how about experience, sir? Because most of the candidates they go to US for employment, and
Absolutely.
if they're going for if they're searching for employment, so they put all the irrelevant experience on the resume.
No, no. All the people in America will be coming through a vendor or through an employer. Those employer company can prepare those resumes. It will be on pakka cooking resume. No problem in that. No problem. They'll keep a good companies only. Simple.
I'm totally blank.
It's not that much. Listen, in US market, at least 60% of them will be fake people only. Even in India also, everywhere in America, everywhere in the world, at least 60% will be fake only.
Okay.
fake only. But by seeing the, at least, for example, the client is asking for 10 years resume. If we can provide 4 years genuine resume, but on the paper 10 years, it's fine. Got it?
Okay.
Absolutely. So it's not that much easy or that much tough to find this which resume is fake or which resume is genuine. It's we can come through experience or by learning. It will come there through that, no problem.
Okay.
Any more doubts or questions, or which you hear from YouTube or Google, any from your friends?
So still little confusion, but as the classes go on, probably.
Vijay, if you have doubts, or you can ask me in Telugu also, I can explain you, no problem in that.
But still, because we didn't start the course, right? So really, a few questions which I went through before taking the classes, especially.
చెప్పండి విజయ్, పర్వాలేదు, అడగండి. అది టైం ఎక్కువ పడుతుంది అంటే నేను మామూలుగా చెప్పేస్తాను, అంతే ప్రాబ్లం. చెప్పేస్తాను, నార్మల్ గా చెప్పేస్తాను పైన. అట్లీస్ట్ మీ డౌట్ ఏంటి క్లియర్ అడగండి, పర్లేదు.
లేదు, చెప్పారు కదా మీరు, మెయిన్ అదే ఫేక్ రెజ్యూమేస్ ఎలా పట్టుకుంటారు అని చెప్పేసి. ఎందుకంటే చాలా మంది యూఎస్కి వెళ్తుంటారు, దే గో ఫర్ ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ అండ్
నేను అది నేర్పించడం కోసం విజయ్ నేను అది నేర్పించడం కోసమే మీరు గమనించారంటే ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ అబౌట్ ద రిక్వైర్మెంట్, ఓకేనా, హౌ టు చెక్ ద రెజ్యూమ్ అండ్ క్లయింట్స్, హౌ టు టాక్ విత్ క్యాండిడేట్స్, డాక్యుమెంట్ చెకింగ్, అన్ని ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ స్టెప్స్. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తారు క్యాండిడేట్ పట్టుకోమా ఫేక్ ఏదో స్టెప్ లో మనము అన్ని స్టెప్స్ దాటిపోతే ఇంకా వాడికి ఎవరైనా వాడికి ఆల్ఖైదా అయిపోవాలి అప్పుడు.
సార్ ఇది సోర్సింగ్ జాబ్ బోర్డ్స్ అని ఉంది కదా, అది మాకు
జాబ్ బోర్డ్స్ అంటే డైస్, మాన్స్టర్స్ మీకు ఇవ్వం మేము డైస్. మీకు ఎలా ఇస్తారు? అలాగే ఇవ్వడం కుదరదు.
ప్రాక్టికల్ ట్రైనింగ్,
ప్రాక్టికల్స్ లో నేను ఓపెన్ చేస్తాను, స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేస్తాను, మీరు చెప్తుంటే నేను రాస్తూ ఉంటాను.
ఓకే.
డైస్ యాక్సెస్ ఇట్స్ కాస్ట్ హైయర్. డైస్ కాస్ట్ ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ లైక్ $4,000 to $7,000 US. అంటే ఎంతో, అంటే నియర్లీ ఒక 5 lakhs 4 lakhs ఉంటుంది. దాని యాక్సెస్ అంత ఈజీగా ఉండదు, కాస్ట్ చాలా ఎక్కువ అది. సో మీకు ఇచ్చామంటే ఏమవుతుందంటే మీరు తక్కువ నొక్కేసారు అనుకోండి, రెజ్యూమ్ అన్ని ఓపెన్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి, అవి పోతాయి, అన్ని మొత్తం ల్యాబ్స్ అయిపోతాయి. మీకు యూఎస్ డైస్ వేరు, మన డైస్ వేరు, ప్లస్ మనకి ఎన్ని రెజ్యూమ్ యాక్సెస్ కావాలి దాని చూసుకోవచ్చు. నేను ఏమని చేస్తానంటే డైస్ దీంట్లో ఓపెన్ చేస్తాను నా ల్యాప్టాప్ లో, స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేసి మీకు నేను మీకు జేడీ ఇస్తాను. మీరు జేడీ చూసి నాకు స్ట్రింగ్ చెప్పాలి, అదే మీ స్ట్రింగ్ రాసి నాకు పంపిస్తే నేను ఇక్కడ టైప్ చేస్తాను స్ట్రింగ్ అంతా. అప్పుడు మీకు ఐడియా వస్తుంది. యూ విల్ బీ ఆన్ ప్రాక్టికల్ బట్ అండర్ మై కంట్రోల్. అర్థమైందా? మీరు కెమిస్ట్రీ ల్యాబ్ లో వెళ్ళిపోయి తప్పడం అన్ని పోస్తానంటే ఎట్లా వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, అవునా? సో ఏం చెప్తే చేస్తేనే ఈజీ కదా. రేపు పొద్దున్న మీకు అన్ని వచ్చాక అప్పుడు నేను, బట్ లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో నేను ఇస్తాను, ఒకసారి ఇస్తాను మీకు. దీంట్లో ఇది ఉంది ఆప్షన్, మీకు కంట్రోల్ ఆప్షన్ ఉంటుంది దీంట్లో. కంట్రోల్ తెలుసా మీకు?
లేదు సార్.
ఇక్కడ మనము కంట్రోల్ ఇవ్వచ్చు, పక్కన వాళ్ళకి కంట్రోల్ నేను ఇవ్వచ్చు దీంట్లో. కంట్రోల్ మీరు నా కంట్రోల్ అంటే మీరు నా సిస్టమ్ యాక్సెస్ చేయొచ్చు, అలా ఇస్తాను మీకు. యాక్సెస్ ఇస్తాను కానీ మీకు ఐడి పాస్వర్డ్స్ మీకు ఇవ్వను.
ఓకే, అలా ఇచ్చినా పర్లేదు. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు మీకు సడన్ గా ఇక రిక్వైర్మెంట్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఆ జేడి మేము అర్థం చేసుకుని ప్రొఫైల్స్ ఎలా వెతుకోవాలని చెప్పేసి.
మీరు అడుగుతున్న ఆఫీస్ లోనే, ఇక్కడ అడుగుతున్నారు, ట్రైనింగ్ లో అడుగుతున్నారు మీరు? ఇక్కడైతే ఇలా కంట్రోల్ వచ్చి చేపిస్తాను. ఆఫీస్ లో పక్కా మీకే ఇస్తాను, మీ పేరుతో మీకు చేస్తారు.
ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే రిక్వైర్మెంట్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత అంటే ప్రొఫైల్ ఎలా వెతకాలి, ఒక మీరు చెప్పిన స్టెప్స్, ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఇప్పుడు H1 అడిగారు అనుకోండి,
మీరు మొత్తం నేర్పించిన తర్వాత నేను మీకు డైలీ మీకు ఏ రోజు టాపిక్ లో ఆ రోజు ప్రొడక్ట్ మీకు జరిగిపోతాయి హ్యాపీగా. అర్థమైందా?
సో రిక్వైర్మెంట్ వచ్చి మేము అర్థం చేసుకుని మీకు కరెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నావా లేదా అని చెప్పేసి కొంచెం
అప్పుడే కదా నేను మీకు ఇప్పుడు కాదు విజయ్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను మీ రికమెండ్ నేను ఇస్తానా మీకు? రికమెండ్ నేనేగా మీకు ఇవ్వాలి. మీరు చదువుతారు, డౌట్స్ అప్పుడు అడుగుతారు, యాక్సెస్ ఇస్తాను, మీరు డైస్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తారు, సెర్చ్ చేస్తారు, అంతే. మీరు నా ముందే మొత్తం చేస్తారు.
అట్లయితే పర్లేదు సార్. సో మేము వెతికి వేస్ట్ కదా.
నేను హోంవర్క్స్ అంతా ఇవ్వను విజయ్, నేను మీకు అదే చెప్తున్నా. నేను క్లాస్ చెప్పిన తర్వాత మీరు ఏది కూడా బై హార్ట్ చేయవలసిన అవసరం లేదు. అర్థమైందా? ఇట్ విల్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ స్మూత్ థింగ్. మీకు టైమ్ జోన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఎలా చెప్పాను మీకు? ఐ విల్ బి టీచింగ్ లైక్ యాజ్ ఏ కిడ్. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. సో ఎనీ డౌట్స్ విజయ్ మీకు?
సార్.
యా షూర్. యా వెంకట్ గారు.
సార్
యా సో యా సార్.
ఫైనల్ వర్డ్స్ చెప్పారు. ఇది ఎన్ని రోజులు పడుతుంది సార్ ఇది కోర్సు?
సార్ ఇది మొత్తం 35 to 40 క్లాసెస్ సార్. 35 to 45 టోటల్. మాక్సిమం లైక్ 1 month 1.5 months లోపు అయిపోతుంది సార్, అంతే.
సో మార్నింగ్ 9:50 to 10:15
క్లాస్. యా ఫైన్ సార్. If you can just tell me the
నా నెంబర్ టైప్ చేయండి సార్ ఇక్కడ 9059.
1 second సార్. చార్ట్ నాకు యాక్సెస్ రావట్లేదు సార్. చార్ట్ నాకు లేదు యాక్సెస్ ఇక్కడ.
చార్ట్ రావట్లేదు ఏంటో, ఇక్కడ ఏ సెట్టింగ్స్ ఇవ్వాలో అర్థం కావట్లేదు నాకు. కొత్త కదా నేను. ఒక నిమిషం సార్, వాట్సాప్ లో నెంబర్ పెడుతున్నాను.
ఓకే సార్. యా విజయ్, మీరు మళ్ళీ ఈ నెంబర్ కి మీరు కాంటాక్ట్ అయిపోయి మీకు ఎవరైతే కాల్ చేశారో వాళ్ళకి మీరు చెప్తే, ఇఫ్ వన్స్ యూఆర్ ఓకే దెన్ వీ కెన్ స్టార్ట్ ద క్లాసెస్.
సో ఫ్లెక్సిబిలిటీ ఉందా క్లాసెస్ కి, లేకపోతే ఒకటి స్పెసిఫిక్ టైమింగ్ సార్?
స్పెసిఫిక్ టైమింగ్స్ ఫ్లెక్సిబిలిటీ అంటే ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పాలి, నేను 12 వెళ్తాను సార్, నాకు ఈలోపు మీకైనా స్లాట్ ఉందా అని అడగండి వెంకట్ గారిని ఒకసారి. ఇప్పుడు స్లాట్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా డిఫరెంట్ గా, 9 క్లాస్ 10 క్లాస్ ఉంటాయి కదా. సో మీరు ఫ్లెక్సిబిలిటీని బట్టి అది తీసుకోవచ్చు.
ఓకే.
ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు అంటే మీ ఎంబడి బ్యాచ్ లో ఉంటారు కదా, ఒక 2-3 members ఉంటారు ఈజీగా.
ఓకే.
సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ యూ కెన్ యూ కెన్ note on the number here. Okay. It's if you are interested or any of your reference is going to be working in this field, or if they want to work in this, they can contact this. The person name is Venkat. The number is 9985269518, or you can reach 9059868766. 90 సార్. ఇక్కడ నాకు అది ఎక్కడ పేస్ట్ రావట్లేదు సార్. ఫైన్ ఫైన్ ఫైన్. యా షూర్ సార్.
సార్ విజయ్ గారు, ఎవరైనా ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఉంటే రిఫర్ చేయండి సార్. మీకు ఏ టైమింగ్స్ ఫ్లెక్సిబుల్?
వెంకట్ గారు ఎవరు సార్ మీరు?
నా పేరు వెంకట్ అండి.
Vijay. Venkat Garu is the founder of this company.
Oh, hi sir.
మీకు ఏ టైమింగ్స్ ఫ్లెక్సిబుల్ అండి?
మార్నింగ్ 9 to 10 అయితే బాగుంటుంది. ఫైన్ 9 to 10. ఓకే. సో 9:30 వర్కౌట్ అవుతుందా? 9:30 అలా
సరే, ఒకసారి నేను ఫ్యాకల్టీతో కాంటాక్ట్ అయ్యి మీకు యాక్చువల్గా బ్యాచ్ అయితే నెక్స్ట్ మండే నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది సార్.
ఓకే. సో మణి సార్ చెప్పట్లేదు అంటే ట్రైనర్?
చెప్పండి పర్లేదు. ట్రైనర్ నేనే. అవును. ఇన్సేపు ట్రైనర్ నేనే మీకు, ఫ్యాకల్టీ నేనే మీకు.
ఓకే.
ఐఎమ్ ట్రైనర్. నేను నేర్పిస్తుంది నేనే నేర్పిస్తాను మొత్తం మీకు. ఎస్. వన్స్ క్లాస్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ వచ్చేసి VLR టెక్. వెంకట్ గారు హీఈస్ ఫ్రమ్ VLR. హీఈస్ ద ఫౌండర్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ VLR. ఐఎమ్ వర్కింగ్ యాజ్ ఎ ఫ్యాకల్టీ దేర్.
ఓకే. ఎక్కడ సార్ ఇక్కడ ఇది అడ్రస్ ఎక్కడ సార్? VLR టెక్
మనది JNTU దగ్గర ఉంటుందండి ఆఫీస్. VLR ట్రైనింగ్ అని గూగుల్లో సెర్చ్ కొడితే కనపడుతుంది. ఓకేనా? ఒక 3 to 4 people ఉంటే క్లాస్ రూమ్ స్టార్ట్ చేయొచ్చు, కానీ మెజారిటీ టైం 2 to 3 వస్తారు కాబట్టి ఓన్లీ ఆన్లైన్ లోనే సరిపోతుంది.
సో 9 o'clock స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా, అంటే మార్నింగ్
9:15 అలా మీకు మండే నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందండి. ఈ లోపల నేను ప్రమోట్ చేసుకోవాలి కొద్దిగా. మీకు నెక్స్ట్ మండే నుంచి బ్యాచ్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది.
యా విజయ్, మీరు వెంకట్ గారికి ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేయండి సార్ 9:30 నుంచి నాకు ఓకే అవుతుంది అంటే, సో హీ కెన్ కోఆర్డినేట్ విత్ ఆల్ ద పీపుల్ అండ్ వీ కెన్ ఫిక్స్ ఎ one time slot. Flexibility will be providing but not in all times.
ఓకే.
మీకు
కొన్నిసార్లు
మమతా గారు కాల్ చేశారు కదండి, వాళ్ళకి కాల్ బ్యాక్ చేయండి సార్.
మీరు వాళ్ళు మీకు ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేస్తారు.
Sure, sir.
పైన
Fine, sir.
yeah, any doubts? Yeah, sir. Venkat garu, so I'll be winding up this call. Okay Vijay.
క్లోజ్ చేశాను సార్.
Yeah, sure. So if your people are interested or any of your friends is looking for a job in this field, you can call to this Venkat Garu on the number 9985269518 or 9059866766. Okay. Have a great day. Bye.
Sure,
Take care. Bye Venkat Garu. Bye Vijay.
You too, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah, bye, sir.